Hey everyone, today I wanted to take you through how to build a nested if formula in Excel, or an if formula with multiple conditions. As you can see on the left hand side, we've got a typical if formula with just one condition. But on the right hand side, we've updated this to have multiple conditions, and this will require a nested if function. So let's take you through this and show you how it's done. Okay, on the left hand side, we've got a very simple if formula. There was an old hourly rate where on a weekday you got paid $45, on the weekend you got paid $60. So it followed this pattern. If it's a weekday, then $45 an hour, else $60 an hour. And this is represented in cell J3, and you can see the formula. Equals if G3 equals weekday, then after the comma bring me back 45, else after the next comma bring me back 60. Very simple formula that works all the way down the column. But on the right hand side, we've got a new hourly rate, where we've now split weekend and weekday into further day shifts and night shift, and they all have their own hourly rate. So the new pattern follows the diagram. If it's a weekday, then we have to ask the next question. If it's a day shift, yes, give me $40. If it's not a day shift, give me $65. Otherwise, we go the other way. If it's a weekday, then do what we said before, else it's a weekend. And if it's a weekend, we have to ask the next question. Is it a day shift? Yes, give me $50 an hour. If it's not, give me $80 an hour. So now we need to go back into the formula and update this so it represents the new diagram. So the first thing we're going to do is unhide this column here because I have the shift whether it's a day or night shift. We'll go back into cell J3 and we'll update the formula. So the first part stays the same. If G3 is a weekday, but we don't want it to become 45 now, we need to nest that second if formula. So if it's a weekday, we'll nest in if cell H3 equals day, then bring me back $40. Otherwise, if it's not day, we want to bring back $65. And we'll close off that nested if formula. And now we want to go back and change the second part of this formula. If it's a weekday, we do what we just said. Otherwise, we want to nest in that second if formula. If the shift equals day, then we'll bring back the nighttime rates. So if it's a day, we'll bring back 50. Otherwise, we'll bring back the value of 80. We'll close that brackets, and now you can see it's all nested into one big formula. Press enter, and you can see that the hourly rate has changed. For a weekday day, it's $40. And if I drag that formula down, it changes all of those values. For example, on a weekend night, it's now $80, and a weekday night, it's $65. So it's following that new pattern with a couple of nested if formulas. Hope you found that useful. If I went too fast, just pause and rewind. Please like, hit that subscribe button. See you next time.